Someone stuck this iPad in front of me and says, we're going to take a quiz.
Are you a true devotee to noise? Take this quiz to find out.
So, check off all the following that describes you.
I sing the THX sound in a shower. Holy crap, what does that mean?
No.
Nope.
I choose my doctors based on sonic integrity, and no, definitely not.
I'm going to check that. It's not entirely accurate, but it's a factor.
Instead of using a phone to hear voice messages, I ask people to mail me a 12-inch vinyl record. No, that's very inefficient.
I end every sentence with deeper lows and higher highs. I don't know if I do that purposely. It's surely got nothing to do with being an audiophile.
No.
I got divorced because my spouse said that FLAC was better than Wave. I don't really have a problem with that. FLAC is better than Wave in a lot of ways. Unless you're talking Wave Pack.
I know that the difference between lo-fi and hi-fi is 23 phis. That may be.
Yeah, I'll go on with that one.
No, I guess I'm not an audiophile. I'm not really sure.
I blinded myself so I could hear better. Well, I've done it before. I just turned the lights down, but I wouldn't say blind. We'll go with that.
I can distinguish between earbuds and over-the-ear headphones. Yes.
I mean, I guess in the spirit of it, I'll answer yes, but that's a pretty loose question.
My toilet uses sound instead of water. That'd be pretty cool, but sounds expensive.
It does make a lot of noise when it flushes, but it's got nothing to do with being audiophile.
Theoretically possible, but it does not know. I got a pretty nice toilet, though. It's pretty fancy. You should see it.
I have legally adopted over 15 sound engineers. Now, definitely haven't done that, but I do actually legally have children that are sound engineers.
That'd be challenging to do because you would assume they have to be a bit older. It seems like the feasibility on this one is limited. I have not at this point, no.
I named my car Beats by Dre, then drove off a cliff. No.
Well, no, that actually isn't a bad idea, but I didn't do it, but let's say I did.
I used the headphone wire hole on my backpack. I have actually, so yes.
I used to. It was a great feature. I remember being excited. I had a coat and it had like one of those things you put the wire through so you could put your like iPod or whatever, CD player or something in the pocket.
Oh, not an audiophile. Cool.
No, I don't think I am actually. Apparently, according to this test, I'm not.
Try caring more about audio and take the quiz again.
Try caring more about audio.
All right. So I guess we're done with that quiz. When sound is described as dark, it probably lacks. We'll call it high end.
I'm going high end.
The frequency below bass is referred to as below bass. It's an interesting way to put it, but the sub-bass region, we'll call it.
What's the other options here? The pseudo bass. Yeah, there are no frequencies below bass.
What is the difference between mono and stereo? Stereo is used in car speakers, mono is not. No, mono is an old format that is no longer used. I mean, kinda. Stereo requires 2 audio outputs, mono only requires 1, and mono can't be played on more than 1 speaker. Yeah, so C.
None of these are accurate, but I guess the most accurate, sure.
The science that studies the absorption and reflection of sound is timbre, reverberation, psychoacoustics, acoustics. Absorption reflection would be acoustics. No brain involved.
What does it mean when a headphone sounds flat? They do not produce enough low end. They have an even distribution of low, medium, and high. Flat is an even distribution.
Oh, flat usually means, if we're talking about frequency response, I guess we'll call it even distribution.
What is soundstage referred to? The frequency range a speaker can produce, the impedance of each speaker, spatial perception of an audio image, the amount of noise rejection a headphone can produce. I guess spatial perception, that's not too terrible of a wording there.
That would be C.
What are the benefits of open back headphones? Have a wider soundstage? Yes. Reject outside noise? No. Are considered to have more natural sound than closed back headphone? Yeah. Can you choose both? Oh, there we go. A and C. Okay, I've got that.
The distinctive quality of a sound is the frequency, intensity, amplitude, or timbre.
We'll go with timbre.
The quality of a sound. Well, distinctive, I guess. I'm going to go with timbre for me. Sibilance is most identifiable in the bass, the drums, string instruments, the human voice.
Well, yeah. String instruments, I'd say.
Human voice we'll go with.
Frequency range of human hearing is usually quoted as 0 to 20, 20 to 20, 20 to 200, 2 hertz to 2, it's 20 to 20 kilohertz.
Usually 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, although that's entirely inaccurate.
You scored 9 out of 10. Oh, I picked one wrong. Maybe it was the one that was flat.
Wow, you really know your stuff. Yeah.
9 out of 10? What'd I get wrong?